Can you believe you can look 5 years younger for less than $20? It's true, and I've got the solutions for you on this video. So my first tip has to do with your eyebrows. Years ago, I had a patient come to see me, money in hand, for a brow lift. I took one look at her and I sent her to my esthetician next door. 15 minutes and $15 later, her eyes were wide open, her brows were lifted, and she looked 5 years younger. How do you do that? You do that with effective eyebrow shaping. If you've got thicker brows and you remove some of the brow hair right on the undersurface of the brow, you can actually create a bit of a lift. Interestingly enough, surgical brow lifts will lift the eyebrows typically only a handful of millimeters. Now be careful, if you've got thin eyebrows, this may not be the best way to take 5 years off. But if you've got thicker brows, if you've got brows like Brooke Shields back in the 80s, then this definitely could work for you. My number 2 tip is a great way to reduce puffy lower eyelids almost instantly. I once had a patient come to see me for a lower blepharoplasty, and this is a surgery where you remove the puffiness, the bags basically, from the lower eyelids. And she told me, Dr. Youn, the only thing that can reduce my lower eyelid puffiness is this serum that I bought for less than $20 at the drugstore. Well, I did not believe her one bit until she pulled it out and put it on her eyelids, and voila, 3 minutes later, her puffiness was gone. So the product is called Sudden Change, and you can buy it on Amazon as well as your local drugstores. And it basically works as a shrink wrap for your eyelids. You apply it to your eyelids, and this serum, it hardens, kind of like Elmer's glue hardening on the skin. That can temporarily reduce the puffiness and even the wrinkles of the lower eyelids. But I give you a bit of a warning, this is not a permanent result. This definitely is temporary. So if you've got an event, like if you're going to a reunion or you're going on a date, then this is a good thing to try. If I had to pick one good anti-aging ingredient to put into a cream, it would be retinol. Retinol is scientifically proven to tighten the skin, to reduce fine lines, and to even help reduce age spots. Now, I have my own retinol moisturizer in my YOUN Beauty line, and this is made with natural and organic ingredients. It's actually our top seller, but unfortunately, it's not less than $20. But there are many retinol moisturizers that you can find over the counter and online, and we're gonna leave some options for you in the caption of this video below. Our lips lose volume as we get older. They basically get thinner. And we get a lot of patients that come to my office that pay anywhere from $700 to $1,000 or more on lip injections. But you can plump up your lips at home using a commercially available lip plumper. These lip plumper results can last several hours. Like the Sudden Change, this is a great thing that you can use, let's say before an event like a reunion or a party, and then it wears off. I'll give you a link to a favorite or two of mine in the caption of this video. Blurring creams can be applied to your skin relatively inexpensively, and it really creates a bit of a sheen on the surface of your skin. It's kind of like a filter in a tube, and this is one of the secrets that dermatologists and makeup artists use to help give people such a smooth sheen to the skin. You can definitely look 5 years younger with a good blurring cream, and I'll give you a link in the caption below. Well, if you don't have a lot of disposable income, it doesn't mean that you can't take big steps to look as youthful as you want to. If you want to take the next step to getting youthful and healthy skin, check out this video I've got right up here on the ultimate skincare routine. And remember, eat real food, use clean skincare, and always consider plastic surgery as a last resort.